In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add a player block using aBlocks to display audio or video content on your website. A player is a media block that streams audio or video directly on your web page. Let's get started. First, open the section of your website where you want the player to appear. Then, search for Player Block and insert the aBlocks Player Block into the section. Now you're ready to customize it. In the General tab, under the Content section, you'll find a drop-down labeled Source. Select your video source. Here, it's set to YouTube, but you can also choose Vimeo or a self-hosted video, depending on what you need. Next, paste your video URL into the link field to connect the video. To give your player a polished look before it plays, click Choose Image under Poster Image and upload a thumbnail preview. You can also control playback timing. Enter your desired start time in seconds. Set an end time to trim unnecessary intros or outros and spotlight the best part. Now switch to the Style tab to adjust how your player looks. Use the Play Button Size slider to scale the icon. Click Add Color under Play Button Color to match it with your site's branding. Next, adjust the progress bar size to control its thickness. Then, choose your progress bar background color. Under Progress Bar Color, click Add Color to style the progress indicator. Once everything's set, click Save and preview your page to see the player block in action. Thanks for watching. For more aBlocks tutorials, check out our other videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web building tips.